Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Target haul. I filmed this on two separate occasions. The first time I filmed this, I actually went to the store and picked out some things that I thought you guys might like and things that I might like, but they did not have a big selection. So I went ahead and ordered a few things online, and when I got those in, I thought I'd try those on for you as well. Now this video is going to be in collaboration with Katie Sottile. She is also doing a Target haul try on. Now I live on the East Coast and she lives on the West Coast, so we might have different picks here depending on what the weather and everything. It gets colder here, and I know in California it does not get cold, so our fall Target haul is going to be a little different than well, it's going to be a little different from each other. So I'm really excited to see her video. If you want to watch her video, I will leave it in the description below. And if you are from her channel, thanks for coming by. I hope you like this video. I make all kinds of videos like this, so if you are interested in that, just hit that subscribe button. And I am not on an upload schedule, so make sure you hit that bell too so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. So let's go ahead and get into it. For fall and winter, I love wearing blacks and whites and neutrals and grays. I just love the monochrome kind of style that it brings out in me. So I picked up this plaid button-down shirt in black and white. This is by Universal Thread. It was $15 when I picked it up. Now, if you don't like black and white, you could also they also have this available in red, rust, blue, yellow, and green. Now this shirt is 60% cotton and 40% rayon. It was super soft and it seemed like it would be pretty warm, especially if it's a great layering piece. You could pop a sweater over it or a puffy jacket, anything like that to keep you warm in the wintertime. So I really love this. It would be a great staple piece for anybody's closet. Now let's talk about the tank top that I had on underneath that plaid button-up shirt. This is the Essential tank top in black by A New Day. It's $18, which I think is a little steep in price for what it is, but it is 100% polyester, making it like, it gives it that kind of slinky feel that you can wear under cardigans, under plaid shirts, you could wear it under sweaters. It's a really great layering piece, and I think the cut on this is very flattering, and it helps that it does have adjustable straps, so you can, you know, tighten it up as much as you want or make it as loose as you want. Everybody's body type is different, and I really appreciate when they make the straps adjustable for us. But like I said, I think this is a great cut. It's very flattering. I probably wouldn't wear this like this in the fall. I'd put a cardigan on, but I wanted to show you the fit of it and how it looks without that. Let's talk a minute about these jeans. They are the high-rise distressed straight ankle length jeans in light wash by Fable. They are 98% cotton, 2% spandex, and the inseam, which is from the crotch to ankle, that length right there is 27 inches. So they are on the shorter side. Now I'm 5'3", so keep that in mind, so they're not that short on me, but just keep that in mind if you're taller than me. I love these jeans. They are $22, but they need to be more expensive than this because they are worth every penny. I love the button detail in the front, and then the back, the pocket placement is absolutely perfect. They're so flattering. If you're looking for a straight leg denim jean, try these out before you buy any other pants. I'm not kidding. These are amazing. I just did a Levi jean try on. I bought 6 pairs of Levi jeans, and I liked 5 of those pair. There was a straight leg denim jean that I tried on that I didn't like. But these are amazing. These are better than that. And these are only $22. So guys, just do me a favor. If you're in the market for straight leg jeans, try these first before you try other pairs, because these are incredible. Moving on to the crew neck pullover sweater in charcoal gray. This is by Universal Thread, and it's $20. At 69% cotton, 31% acrylic, this will keep you warm in the wintertime. Now, I did not think that this was the softest material that I have tried on from Target, but it did the job. I think it would keep me really warm. I love pushing up the sleeves of this sweater, and I love the length of the sweater. You could tuck it in and be good to go, or you can leave it out. It's not super long, so I don't think you'd be able to wear leggings with this, but I think jeans look incredible with this, so can't go wrong. Now, with that sweater, I have on these mid-rise jeggings in dark wash by Universal Thread. They also have these in a light wash and medium wash. At 71% cotton, 27% polyester, 2% elastane, they do have that stretchy feel to them. And at $20, you can't go wrong. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of room in the waist here. I can bunch it up pretty good. I have found from my experience that most mid-rise jeans fit me this way. It's hard for me to find jeans that fit my thighs and my waist properly. That's why I usually stick with high-rise jeans. If you have shorter legs like me, I recommend finding a pair of jeans that are higher rise. They will elongate your legs. But if you like mid-rise jeans, I found these to be comfortable and flattering. This puff long sleeve button front blouse in navy stripe by Universal Thread is great. It's 100% cotton, and it also comes in yellow, brown, teal, black, tan striped, white, and red. So you have your pick of whatever color suits you best. I actually like this navy stripe. I think it would be really cute dressing it up or dressing it down, wearing it with a skirt, or just wearing it casual with jeans. It's a great piece that I would definitely recommend. I love that it's 100% cotton. You don't really find many shirts that are 100% cotton anymore, and I think cotton lasts so much longer than other materials. So if you're on the lookout for maybe a good work shirt that you can wear to the office, this would be right up your alley. Moving on to the next look, let me talk about this skirt first. It's a zip front mini skirt in mauve by Wild Fable. It's also available in brown. This is 98% cotton, 2% spandex, and I feel like it's like corduroy material, so it's really in style right now, and it's only $17. Now, as you can probably tell though, this skirt does not fit me properly. For a second, I thought it might be on backwards or something like that, but that isn't the case. I really like the look of this skirt though, and if you do as well, go ahead and try it. We women have so many different body types. So just because it doesn't fit me doesn't mean it won't fit you as well. Target makes it so easy right now to order online and return it if it doesn't fit. So don't be scared to try it. I quickly changed out of that skirt and into these bell-bottom jeans from a boutique called Becky & Company. So it would flatter this amazing bishop long sleeve silky cropped blouse by Prologue. Wow, that's a lot. Anyways, I love this shirt in black, but it also comes in cream and brown. The little details like the button cuff, the cropped hem, and the button back makes this top amazing. I could definitely see myself wearing this outfit on a date night or to get coffee with a girlfriend. Now, it isn't like a really soft material. It's actually 100% polyester, but I still highly recommend this blouse because it is so flattering. This next outfit was completely out of my comfort zone, which I will get into more detail about soon. But first, I want you to see this open cardigan by Knox Rose. I ordered the brown, but it also comes in olive. Now, this cardigan is a very loose knit material, and even though it's 60% acrylic, 40% polyester, I still think it's comfortable. This is staying in my closet because it's the perfect fall color, and I was actually looking for something very similar to this anyway. Even though I wouldn't style it like this, I'll put in a little picture of how I would style this. Now, to the dress. This is a short sleeve knit dress in black by Wild Fable. It's 58% cotton, 38% recycled polyester, and 4% spandex. Now you can probably tell from this video how uncomfortable I am in this. It's just not my style, but again, we all have different styles and preferences. I have seen this outfit on Pinterest and Instagram a lot, so I thought I'd give it a go. Sometimes stepping out of my comfort zone works out. Other times, like this, it just doesn't. I think it looks fine, but the material is very clingy, which makes me feel extremely self-conscious and uneasy, and I know I just would not wear this if I kept it. Speaking of styles that I just was not digging, I bought this balloon long sleeve pleated shift dress in black floral by Wild Fable. This dress is $37 and it's 100% polyester. It also is available in a brown animal print. Now, this dress is very similar to that black balloon sleeve shirt that I had on earlier, but it's in a dress instead of being a blouse. Now, I did not like this for just the simple reason that these colors are not in my color palette and the style is just not what I like to wear. However, I talked to Katie and she said that she bought the same one and absolutely loved it, loved the style, loved the colors, and would definitely recommend it. So I'm just going to say that if you like this style, if you like this floral print, if this is up your alley, you go for it, you rock it. I'm sure it's going to look so much better on you than it did me. Next up, I have those same bell-bottom jeans on that I had on earlier. You can get those at Becky & Company. I don't think they have many sizes left. Last time I checked, they only had a small and a medium. I'm wearing a small for reference, but love them, love them, love them. Anyways, I have it on with this Bishop long sleeve blouse in tan by Prologue. This is 100% polyester and it's $28. This is also available in black. Now, I love the V-neck of this shirt and the back is so beautiful. I love all the details with the pleated hem and sleeves and just the buttons on the cuff of the sleeve. It's just, this is very in style this fall and definitely would recommend this. Now, I am going to have a short video on Instagram showing how I would actually style this shirt in so many different ways because it is so versatile and definitely something that I want to keep in my closet. Next up is this long sleeve Labette denim woven shirt by Universal Thread. If you're looking for a chambray top this fall and winter season, like if you don't already have one in your wardrobe, I definitely recommend this. This is 100% cotton and it is so soft and beautiful. It's $15 and on sale right now, so hurry and grab yours if you want it. I love this with a crisp white shirt underneath, and I have it on with some leggings and some wedges that I also got from Target that I will talk more about later on in this video. But this is a great just button down everyday chambray top that should be in your closet. The length on the sleeves is just perfect when it's rolled down, and I like it even styled button up. So this would be great with skirts. This would be great with black jeans, with leggings like I have it on here, or you could just double it up with some other blue jeans if you want like a dark wash. So yeah, so many different ways that you can wear this chambray top. So definitely recommend this if you don't already have one. Next, check out these tie front denim overalls by Universal Thread. These are so adorable. I absolutely love these overalls. They are so cute. Now they are 56% cotton, 24% lyocell, 12% rayon, 6% polyester, 2% spandex. There's lots of materials going into these overalls, but they do have some stretch to them. At $35, I think these are a steal of a deal because they are so unique from other things that I've already seen. Now these with the tie around the waist are kind of reminiscent of the paper bag pants that you have seen on Instagram a lot, but the fit of the leg is different than that. So definitely different, but kind of the same there. And I actually like how you can get into these is there is a zipper on the side that allows you to get into these a little easier. And then they also have 3 button closures on the breast. So that this would be awesome for breastfeeding mamas. You can just unbutton it and go from there. So very cute, very affordable, just on style point for this fall. Definitely 100% recommend these overalls for everyone. Almost done, guys, I promise, but we're gonna look at this balloon long sleeve tie neck blouse in beige by Prologue. This also comes available in black and green if you don't like the beige color. But I picked this one up because it's pretty basic. You could wear it with black trousers or a pencil skirt or even like cream trousers for work. I think this would look super cute with that as well. You could wear it under a blazer with that little neck tie coming out of the blazer. I just think you could wear this in so many different ways. Again, it has the balloon long sleeve. This is going to be a very popular trend this fall season, so definitely jump on board that train because it is so flattering. And I just absolutely love it. This is great for an office work. If you're a teacher, you could wear this. It's very versatile. Anybody could wear this. You go on date night, you go out with some friends, you could wear this there. So definitely really love this look. Now I wanted to show you what a trench coat would look over top of this blouse. Target does have trench coats. I actually saw those in the store, but since I already have one, I didn't pick one up. But it is very similar to this Banana Republic one. I will put a picture up on this video so that you can see side-by-side comparison of how it looks. But if you are in need of one, definitely check the ones out from Target because they are very affordable. The material that I felt at the store was very nice. Seemed like it would be waterproof even. So definitely check that out if you're in the market for a trench coat. Trench coats are definitely one of those items that I love having in my wardrobe because they go with everything. You can dress them up or you can wear them casual with leggings. So definitely look into that if you're wanting to up your game in your wardrobe. These are the booties that I had on in the video. They are reminiscent of like a sneaker wedge, and I like that the white at the bottom in contrast with the stark black. This part is stretchy and it also has a pull tab on the back. I found these to be very comfortable if I wore them with socks, but if I did not wear them with socks, the zipper did scratch my ankle a little bit. So I definitely recommend these if you are in the market for some. Now these are again from A New Day. These were kind of a disappointment. I thought they would be very comfortable, like the espadrilles that I have that I bought from Target at the beginning of the year. But this little buckle right here is very rough and sits right on my ankle bone. That might not be the case for everybody, but I just found these to be very uncomfortable. However, the heel on these is not very big and it's not very high. And it's very chunky, so they would be very comfortable to walk in if not for this part. But like I said, that might not affect everybody. So I very much thought I liked the look of these, but again, just not something that I could wear. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I will leave shopping links in the description box for you to easily shop these looks, or you can check on Poshmark and eBay for any of these items as well. I'm sure there are similar ones on there that might actually save you some money. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, just give it a dislike. That's okay too. I need to know for reference. Just let me know why you didn't like it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.